Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of October 18th through the 24th. I'm going to use this kit from Pretty Planner Printables, which is a Pinterest designer, I guess. She posts her things on Pinterest. I think this is called Trick or Treat. So it comes with like 9 full boxes. These are like Happy Planner size full boxes, a sidebar, and these checklists plus a weekend banner. This is the first page. There's the second page. I just never print the second page of her kits. I cut these 2 boxes into header sizes. This one basically matches the sidebar, so that's why I picked that one. And then this one I felt like had a design that would work well for that. So I cut those 2 into headers. One will go along the top and then the other one will go down here somewhere. And then I also cut all these checklists. I cut the bottom one off because it doesn't fit because this isn't a Happy Planner. But I just know from previous experiences with these that that's the case. I think I'm going to have to add some washi underneath this on the sidebar, but I'm not sure how much, so I'm not going to fill it in or anything. I did pull these 2. I think they're from Meyer. I'm not sure. I got them as a gift from my mom. And then these 2, I think these are going to be the 2 bottom washies I use. These are both from Michaels. This one's like a foiled blue that I thought went actually pretty well. And then this one's like leaves. The colors don't exactly match, but the yellow matches pretty well. And the orange. So I felt like it went well enough. And it has fall vibes, and I just don't get an opportunity to use this washi very much. So I pulled that one. This one, I don't even know why I keep this little cardboard circle since it's doing basically nothing. And then I also just pulled out these 2 skinny washis from Amazon just in case I need them, so that I have them. So my plan is to put down these bottom washis, the weekend banner on top of the bottom washi. And then I think I'm going to put these headers along the top. I think that's my plan. So I'm going to do those things, and then I will come back so that we can put down the full boxes before I put the second row of headers down, since I kind of need all of that stuff to align properly. So I think that's the plan. So I'm going to do all those things. I have my whiteout, I have my slice tool. All right, I think I am ready to go, and then I will be right back. All right, here's where we are so far. If I look really closely with my filming lights, I can just see the lines through this washi, but I was like, whatever, I don't care, I'm leaving it. I did white out the other ones. I actually finished a whiteout, which like hardly ever happens, but I did it, so I had to grab another one. But I've got that going, so now the bottom is done. This weekend banner, for some reason, is a little too big this time. But I'm just going to leave it. I think it's fine. It looks cute. So there we go. Oh, also sorry for my fingers. If you can see the like injuries, I fell while I was curling yesterday. Okay. Let's see. If I can get this up, I of course did a bad job cutting it, I think. All right. I guess we're going to have to like recut all of these lines. I really need to get a new slice tool or figure out how to sharpen this one. If anyone knows how to sharpen slice tools, please let me know. I'm of course doing this now without a ruler. So getting straight lines is kind of tricky. And I think I need to do this one. Hopefully I'm not cutting through the paper, because then I'm going to cut through my planner. Which is not a great idea, but we're going to see how this goes. Okay, I think that should do it now. I have some lines on my planner, but didn't cut through, so I think I'm good. So these always end up a little too wide. I don't like butting them all the way up against the Monday because I just like having a little space. So what I'm going to do is just line them up the same way that I always line up everything in my sidebar with the edge of the dots. And then I'm going to just press it down and then find my scissors. I wrinkled this page a little bit, which I guess you'll have already seen by the time you see this video, but I think it's fine. I'm just going to trim here along the edge of the page. I have a little scrippy scrap left over, and now I have this all good. And then I'm going to stick down here at the bottom. Can this one fit? That one's just a little too wide. All right, I'm just gonna stick some of this blue tape on. That definitely will fit here. I'm just gonna run this straight to the edge of the paper and cut it right there. And then I'll get rid of this little scrap of paper as well from the back. Okay, so that's my sidebar. Obviously not functional. Although there is enough space here, you could add like a habit tracker or something if you wanted to. I don't really care. It's not like critical to me that I have that functionality. So I'm just going to leave it. And then we're going to do the full boxes. So I think my plan, I feel like these two go together and these two go together. And these three kind of all don't go together. I think I'm going to put this one as my Thursday. Because I feel like this is the color that I'm kind of like trying to pull out the most. So I'm just going to line it up at the top of the header space. There we go. And then I think I'm going to put these two boxes that kind of go with the sidebar. So this one here, and then this one I'm going to put on the other side because this is the sidebar box just with a girl with brown hair instead of blonde hair. So I just want to kind of separate them out a little bit. I usually like my girls to kind of face into the page, but I think that that's going to be fine. It looks cute. And then I think I'm going to do these kind of like mismatchy boxes. Stick this one here because it matches the weekend banner. And then this one, it's like not perfectly straight. Whatever, I'm ignoring it. It'll be fine. This one I'm going to stick right here. And then that leaves these two. I think I'm going to stick this one on Sunday. I don't know if I have like a good reason for it. It just feels right. So that's what I'm going to do. This one for some reason got cut a little weird, apparently. But I don't think it's really noticeable. Ended up like a little narrow for some reason. Scrippy scraps everywhere. Okay. And then this one for Monday. All right, that's looking pretty cute. I'm definitely liking the vibes. I like that it's a little glam, but still witchy. I have scrippy scraps all over my fingers that I'm trying to get rid of. Okay, so my plan is to stick down these headers right underneath the full boxes. It's going to make this box a little short, but I think that's fine. And then I'm going to put these 4 checklists, removing that last heart. I'm going to put these 4 checklists underneath them as well. So I'm going to do all of those things and speed you through it, and then I'll be right back. Here is where we are right now. I realized that there's only 6 checklists, so I just skipped Saturday because I don't feel like I need one. I still have a few header strips that I can use to kind of like fill in extra spaces, and then I still have the 6 little hearts down here, which I can use for various things up here. And then I have this strip which I might use as little washi, but it's not cut very straight, so I probably will just ignore that. So set that to the side for a minute and let's work on our plans. So first off, I do want to mark work every day because that's the most important thing I do right now. These are from Paper Company for laptop deco. I'm like looking for some tweezers. Can I find them? I don't know. All right, I found some tweezers. These are my Beauty 360 tweezers. I got them at CVS. This laptop deco is super tiny, but very cute. So I'm just going to use it anyway. If you do want to use, get anything from Paper Company, I do have a 20% off code down below. If you use it, I do get a small commission to help me buy some more things from her shop, but absolutely no pressure either way. I'm just going to leave this out because I still need to do the other half of the week. The other thing I have on Monday, I just got assigned an evening meeting. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick this down here, and that's going to be for my plan with me. Tuesday I have a curling game. I should not forget that. Curling has started again. So these are from Prairie Planner. These are the only curling stickers I've literally ever found. Cannot remember if it's an early game or a late game. I'm just going to use this blue, even though it's like a little bright. I'm just going to use it anyway. I think it still looks cute, and it's not like so out of the way. But I have a curling game Wednesday, not sure what's going on. Thursday and Friday, let me put my work in. Like so. Put these away before I lose them. I have another curling game. Cannot remember if it's an early game or a late game. Knowing my luck, they're probably both late games. But it's fine. So I'm going to stick that in. Good to go. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I'm not sure. Oh, I forgot one thing on Monday as well. Dave got run into a couple weeks ago. He's okay, but we need to take the car in. We have all the approvals from the insurance and whatever. So I'm just going to put that right here as well. I'll need to drop him off so that he can leave his car. All right, so I think that's kind of where we stand right now. Pretty quiet week. Definitely don't know what's going on over here, but I'll figure it out eventually. In the meantime, I think it's looking cute. I'll definitely be able to like fill in some of my smaller events, probably my workouts, things like that, down there. But I think that it's a pretty good start. And ooh, I should mark in. I'll use another one of these little guys. I'm gonna post a video of some sort on that day. Not sure what yet, but there'll be a video up. You'll already know what it is by the time you see this. Anyway, so I think that's everything right now for my before the pen whatever. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. Not a lot of shine, but I'll do a little wiggle and twerk with this kind of foily bottom washi. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit, which is again from Pretty Planner Printables on Pinterest. All I have left is this skinny strip I cut off from the edge, which I'm not going to keep because that's not useful. So I used up everything I printed. These tiny laptops are from Paper Company. These two are from Happy Planner. That's from the sticker patch. Bottom washi is both from Michaels. The Prairie Planner, Paper Company, Creative Camera Studio, the sticker patch, Prairie Planner again. Bella Digital Designs, Wonton and a Million with Craftsmith. More Wonton and a Million with Craftsmith. Creative Camera Studio for both of these and this one. This one's from Itty Bitty Sticker Co. This one's a leftover from My Planner Life UK. And that's it. that's all I have. So mostly try to use the kit as much as possible. But yeah, that's what we have. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Let me know what kits you're using for the upcoming months, and also what you're planning to do for Halloween. Are you dressing up, something like that? Let me know. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.